Hey, hon. What you up to over here?
I'm cooking glazed carrots.
Glazed carrots. What do you got? Oh, yeah, glazed carrots. What, you got butter and brown sugar in there, right?
Sugar, yeah.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
And then later on I put chopped parsley.
Sweet. Yeah, that's good stuff. This is all for Thanksgiving. Holy cow, what do we got here? Those are, oh, okay. We got the little, I haven't been in the room here with her, so I'm kind of like walking out here for the first time in the last couple hours to kind of see what she's doing here.
Marble potato.
Marble
Parmesan.
potatoes. Marble potatoes and Parmesan. Okay, so far, some of this stuff doesn't look like your typical Thanksgiving dinner type stuff, but I'm going to tell you right now, if you're living in the Philippines or plan to live in the Philippines, one thing you got to learn how to do is think outside the box and improvise.
Your own Thanksgiving.
Yeah, no kidding. Because you're not going to walk into the grocery store and be overwhelmed by butterball turkeys in the frozen food department. It's just not going to happen. So you got to come up with some different ideas. Like this, potatoes, and carrots, glazed carrots. What's the main course, huh?
We have this one.
Let's check it out. Okay. You got a ham with some pineapple going on in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm putting the glazes here.
Yeah. Eden's doing a wonderful job. Smells great, and she's sweating like crazy. I was sitting in the bedroom watching one of the Jason Bourne movies with the air conditioner on, and she comes walking in there. Hey, what are you doing? I was like, nothing.
This is our macaroni chicken salad.
Macaroni chicken salad, right on.
Yes.
And then we got some kind of dessert. We can't get pumpkin pie either, or apple pie. So what do? I'll show you. So who needs pumpkin pie when you have chocolate mousse cake from Red Ribbon Bakery in the Philippines? That's what we did. We were like, well, what do you want to do for dessert? So we took a ride into town and went to Red Ribbon Bakery and got some chocolate mousse. Hey, but it's round.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a pie, but it's not a pie. But it'll do. Once again, overcome and adapt, improvise, right? Okay, so we're taking a quick pause once again to share with you what we're doing here on Thanksgiving Day. One thing we're not doing is we're not having turkey, and we're not having stuffing, we're not having mashed potatoes, and we're not having pumpkin pie, and we're not having rolls. So,
But
is it still considered a Thanksgiving Day dinner? Absolutely, heck yeah. We're making it.
Just the two of us.
Yeah,
so.
we're making it work. We're making it work. So it's gonna be wonderful. She's doing a freaking bang up job on this. I'm telling you right now. And I'm gonna kind of set the camera down here and help her out a little bit. It's the least I can do if I'm gonna be sitting here eating the food tonight, right?
Yep. So
So what are we doing? Let's do it. Let's do a quick checklist. We're doing ham.
ham.
Pineapple ham.
Yep. Pineapple ham. Baked marble potato with parmesan, and then glazed carrots.
Glazed carrots. Ham, potatoes, carrots, macaroni salad.
Salad, and then the chocolate mousse.
And the chocolate mousse cake. I think that's going to be pretty much it, right?
We don't have bird.
We don't have a bird, but you know what? We eat chicken all the damn time. And to be honest with you, I'm not a big turkey lover. You know, the best thing I like about Thanksgiving is a leftover turkey that I get. Not so much the turkey that I have.
Sandwich.
Yeah, for turkey sandwiches, and then you can make some soups and all that good jazz. But we're not doing that this year. But that's okay. We're gonna have a great meal, and we're gonna have a nice sit down, talk, BS, and just share good company.
I'm so lazy.
And give thanks to everything we have. Anyways, hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. I know we will. Please enjoy yourself. Watch some football. Do all those things that people do on Thanksgiving. Enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye now.
Thanksgiving, everyone.
Yep, happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.
Okay.